Hello, how are you all? Hope you all will be fine. Today I am sharing with you a essay on the topic of myself. Hello, my name is Raja Ayub. I am a boy. I am 5 years old. I live in Multan. My father's name is Raja Kamar. He is a businessman. My mother name is Benish. She is a teacher. I have an elder brother. I read in kindergarten. My school name is the Smart School. My favorite color is orange. My favorite hobby is reading. My favorite subject is English. My favorite food is noodles. My best friend is Ali. I love to watch cartoons. It's all about me. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe.